Hello, my name is Greg and I am going to show you how I play Travis picking. This is going to be lesson aimed for beginners. So to make things easy, we are going to use C major chord and we are going to exclude strings 1 and 6. So our Travis picking pattern is based on those middle strings here. Now we are going to assign fingers to specific strings. So my thumb would work together with my second finger on strings 5 and 2. Then again I'll use my thumb for string 4, but this time I'm using my first finger on string 3. I suggest that we start from pinching those strings together. So 5 and 2, 4 and 3. I'm calling 5 and 2 outside, and I'm calling 4 and 3 inside. So outside strings, inside strings, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I just prefer to say outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. The next step would be to play each string one by one. So basically, no longer pinching, but to go outside, inside. So strings 5, 2, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. So outside, inside, outside, inside. We could count 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... So the next thing to do would be to replace beat number 1 with the pinch. So before we were doing 1 and, we are going to do now 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and... So pinching happens on 5 and 2, strings 5 and 2, followed by inside strings 4 and 3, followed by outside 5 and 2, and inside 4, 3. Pinch, inside, outside, up. So it's pinch. So it's pinch, inside, outside, inside. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And if you don't want to get lost, obviously it's better to count 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, because you'll be able to tell where you are in the bar, on what beat. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So this picking pattern, I mean this Travis picking pattern, is used in the song Dust in the Wind by the band called Kansas. So once you learn this pattern, you can learn chords to Dust in the Wind, and hopefully you just use this pattern. That's the pattern really that the song is based on. Obviously there are different chords, different strings at some stage, so maybe it gets a little bit more complicated, but the basic idea is there. So if you need any assistance, if you have any comments, I would appreciate you getting in touch. Leave a comment. Probably on YouTube. That's probably the easiest thing, because it would mean that you care. About what I've done. So hopefully this video would help you, would give you a different perspective on how to play Travis picking. If you already know how to do it, maybe refer maybe refer this video to a friend who doesn't know how to do it. Maybe this is just a new way of looking at it. So for now, I would say thank you again, and I will see you soon. Cheers.